Hey guys, Sarah here with JDS, here to introduce our new pie pan lids. These 9-inch pie pans are very similar to our cake pans and can be engraved or direct printed on. It's a standard 9 inches with a 2-inch depth of the pan. Different than our cake pan lids, these lids offer a tab for easy snapping onto the base. To personalize these for your laser or your printer, you're going to want it level. So easily placing it onto the pan and putting it in your laser or printer to ensure it's a nice flat level surface is going to be the best way. You're going to get 7 3/4 inches of personalization area on these pans and similar settings to our powder coated cups and cake pan lids for your laser settings. With a large personalization area, the possibilities are endless to add that extra flair to your cookware. For more information or questions, please call us at the number below or visit us online. Thanks for watching.